Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to easily add the subscribe button to your Snapchat on 2023. So let's jump right into it. First we go ahead and open Snapchat and then tap on the Bitmoji on the top left corner of the screen. From there tap on the gear icon on the top right corner and let's go ahead and edit some privacy settings. Tap on send me notifications and make sure that it is sent to everyone. And tap on view my story and make sure that it is also set to everyone, and from there just go back again, go to your main profile just like I'm going to do right here, and then scroll down to find create my profile. Tap on it, tap on continue, and then tap on get started and tap on create. Wait for a second and then tap on my public profile, tap on preview profile. As you can see here, Snapchat in the latest update has removed the subscribe button, added an add button instead. But in the coming updates, the subscribe button will be added again. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thanks for watching.